Lesson 14 Question and Answers Part 3. Why is the circulation in man referred to as double circulation? When the blood circulates twice through the heart in one complete cycle, it is called double circulation. What are heart sounds? How are they produced? Lubb during the closure of tricuspid and bicuspid valve. Dubb during the closure of semilunar valve. What is the importance of valves in the heart? Valves regulate the blood into a single direction and prevent backflow of blood. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.